Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to switch business account to private account on Instagram. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Instagram app on your smartphone and then tap to open it. Here we are on the Instagram homepage. Let's go to the profile page. In the profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find the account privacy and tap on it. Toggled on to make private account. But a notification pop up on the screen that you cannot private a business account. To make account private, first you have to switch your account into personal. Let's go back to the menu and find business tools and controls and tap on it. Tap switch account type. Choose switch to personal account. Confirm your decision by tapping switch to personal again. Now you can private your Instagram account. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.